here's how to make my favorite green beans from my new cookbook, Natasha's Kitchen. Let's get started. Green Beans Almondine are a family favorite. The kids love them, and we make these for pretty much every gathering. Start by trimming off the tough ends from your green beans. It helps to stack them like this, then you can trim a bunch at once. Just like with pasta, the key to the best tasting green beans is to generously salt the water. Once those are at a boil, cook them for about 3 to 7 minutes depending on the thickness of your beans. You want them to be crisp tender. As soon as they're done, drain and rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking process. Be careful not to overcook your green beans, otherwise they'll turn limp and pale. Set a large skillet over medium-low heat and melt in your butter. Once your butter is foaming, add your slivered almonds, or you could use sliced almonds, and season with a little salt and pepper. Stir constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes or until your nuts are golden and toasted. Don't walk away from this because your nuts can burn quickly. Add your minced garlic and stir for another 30 seconds just until the garlic is fragrant. Now it's time to turn off the heat and add in your last pat of butter. Stir that all together until the butter is melted. Add your cooked and drained green beans back to the pan and toss to combine. If your beans have cooled down a little bit, the residual heat from the pan will help to warm them back up. It already smells wonderful. The last finishing touch is to add some fresh lemon zest. The lemon zest adds an extra layer of flavor and makes the whole dish more vibrant. Transfer the beans to a serving platter and pour over the remaining almonds and butter sauce. Every bite will be coated with amazing garlic butter sauce flavor, and it's always a good idea to add a little more fresh lemon zest over the top. This truly is one of the quickest and easiest green beans dishes, and it always disappears fast. All right, moment of truth. Literally the best green beans almondine. Get the recipe in my new cookbook. Or print the recipe on natashaskitchen.com.